Hey children, today in this video we will see the difference between either and neither. Okay, and before getting into the video, I want to make it clear with the pronunciation. It can be either pronounced as either or either, and coming to neither, it can be pronounced as the way I say neither or neither. Okay, both these pronunciations are correct. Either, as I said before, you can pronounce it as either or either. Both the pronunciations are correct. Okay, now the structure will be either plus noun plus or plus noun. Okay, when we use for two options, okay, usually used when choosing between two options. Now let's take an example. Either Sarah or Meera will help you, but only one person will help you. That can be Sarah or Meera, but any one will help you, will definitely help you, which is a positive sentence. Okay, if you're using either, then remember it is a positive sentence. It will be a positive sentence. Okay, usually we use either in a positive sentence and it usually denotes two options. Okay, now you know what is noun here. The noun is Sarah and Meera. Okay, now for this sentence, this particular sentence can be written in three different forms, okay, which mean the same, okay, but it can be written in three different forms. The first point, Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Either one will help you to solve the maths homework. So I'm not using the noun in the second sentence. I'm not mentioning the name in the second sentence because I've already mentioned in the first sentence. So I'm not mentioning it in the second sentence. So here, Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Either one will help you to solve the maths problem. Okay. Next, Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Either one of them will help you. Either one of them will help you. So both the sentences are correct. The next third form, Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Either of them will help you. I'm just taking off one and I'm just writing it as either one or either of them will help you. Instead of one, I'll just take off one and I'll just write it as either of them will help you. So all these three forms are correct, okay, which mean the same. So either Sarah will help or Meera will help. Neither, okay, and it can be pronounced as neither or neither. Both the pronunciations are correct. So neither is a negative form. It's negative, okay. It is exact the same as either, but we use it in negative way. So instead of saying both choices are available or possible, okay, we deny two options. We deny those options. Neither is used to deny two options. Okay. One important change that should be made while using neither, both the choices are not available. This is the important thing which we have to remember. Okay. Now, for example, neither Sarah nor Meera will help you to solve the maths homework. Okay, that means Sarah and Meera will not help you. Okay, so it's like Sarah won't help you and Meera won't help you. The same three different structures we saw for either will be exactly the same for neither too. See, noun Sarah and Meera. The noun is Sarah and Meera. Okay. Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Neither one will help you. Neither one will help you is like both of them will not help you. Okay. Next. Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Neither one of them will help you. Again, the same word, the same meaning. Next. Sarah and Meera will be coming to school today. Neither of them will help you. Remember, neither is negative. Okay. Now, just imagine you're talking to your friend and he says that, I don't speak Hindi. And how will you answer for this? Neither do I. That is, even I don't know to speak Hindi. It's like that. So instead of saying this, saying a big sentence like this, you can just say it as neither do I or me neither. Okay. Now what will happen if you use either in a negative sentence? How can you use either in negative sentence? Actually, this is not a common form, but this is a correct form. Okay. See, so here either will be considered as negative. Okay. So I don't either. I don't either. So don't has been used here. So either will be considered as negative. Okay. So remember, for negative statement, it is common to use neither. It's like to agree with that negative statement. Okay, it's very common to use me neither. I don't speak Hindi, me neither. I don't like capsicums, me neither. Neither do I. Okay, we both are same. It's like agreeing to the negative statement. Okay? Yes. Now examples. Examples for either. I can serve you either a hot chocolate or a glass of cold coffee. That is, I'm saying here, there are two options. Okay? A hot chocolate and a cold coffee. Either one will be served to you. Any one will be served to you. It's your option. Okay? Next. I'm sure that John and Sam will wish you on your birthday, but either of them will attend your birthday party. It's like, I'm sure that John and Sam will wish you on your birthday. Okay? It's like a promise. Okay? They will wish you, but either of them will attend your birthday party. But anyone, it can be John or it can be Sam. Anyone will attend your birthday party. Next, examples for neither. I have neither the time nor the patience to listen to your stories. That is, it's like I don't have time nor I don't have patience to listen to your stories. Okay? Next, again, I gave you this example before. I don't like capsicums. Your friend is saying that I don't like capsicums. And how will you answer? Me neither. Neither do I. Okay? The third example is neither one nor the other. That is nothing. Neither one, it's not one also, and it is not for the others also. It's like denying the two options. Both of them are not there. Just for an example, neither one nor the other. It's like denying two options. Okay? Thank you, children.